Your website doesn't have to look bad to lose customers. A confusing headline, slow mobile page, weak call to action, or difficult navigation can turn a potential customer into another lost visitor. The difficult part is knowing which problem is actually hurting your website. That's why ScaleLink Alliance offers businesses a free website review. We'll take a look at your website, identify opportunities that could be holding it back, and show you where we'd start improving it. There's no obligation, but before you submit yours, let me show you some of the things we'll actually be looking for. Imagine a local service company getting 2,000 website visitors every month, but hardly any inquiries. The immediate assumption is, we need more traffic. But more traffic won't necessarily solve the problem. If the website isn't converting the visitors it already has, buying more traffic could simply mean paying to lose more potential customers. Instead of immediately asking, how do we get more traffic? We first need to ask, what happens when someone reaches the website? If you'd rather have us look at yours directly, you'll find the free website review link in the description. Now let's review this example. The first question is simple. Can someone understand what this company does within seconds? Imagine the headline says, providing innovative solutions for a better tomorrow. It sounds professional, but it doesn't actually tell the visitor much. Now compare that with reliable HVAC services for homes and businesses in your area. Immediately, you understand what the company does and whether it's relevant to you. Visitors shouldn't have to investigate your website to understand your business. Clear message. Right audience, immediate value. Next, what should an interested visitor do? Call, request a quote, schedule an appointment. The next step should be obvious. If someone has to search through the website just to contact you, you're creating unnecessary friction. A clear get a free quote button immediately tells the visitor what to do next. Good website design isn't only about appearance. It should guide visitors from interest to action. Then we check mobile. A website can look excellent on a desktop and become frustrating on a phone. Tiny text, difficult navigation, buttons that are hard to tap, broken layouts, or complicated forms can quickly drive visitors away. Your mobile visitor doesn't care how good the desktop version looks. They care about the experience they're having right now. The easier that experience is, the easier it becomes to take the next step. Speed matters too. If someone clicks your website and has to wait unnecessarily, you've created another opportunity for them to leave. Large images, unnecessary scripts, and poorly optimized components can slow a website down. Improving performance removes that friction and creates a better experience for your visitors. Then there's another question every potential customer is asking, can I trust this business? That's why we look for things like customer reviews, testimonials, previous work, credentials, and clear contact information. Someone can be interested in your service and still hesitate if the website doesn't give them enough confidence. A strong website doesn't just explain what you do, it gives visitors a reason to believe you can do it. We also examine the overall user experience. Is the website easy to navigate? We look at SEO fundamentals. Can search engines understand what your pages are about? And we look at lead generation. Is the website actually structured to capture potential customers? Because ultimately, your website needs to help move someone from visitor to inquiry to customer. Now look at our hypothetical business again. Before traffic to website to visitors leave, they thought they needed more traffic, but the review uncovered a different problem. The message wasn't clear, the call to action was difficult to find, the mobile experience created friction, and the website lacked trust. Improve those areas and the path becomes traffic to improved, website to inquiry to customer. We didn't necessarily increase traffic. We improved what happened after the visitor arrived. That's the purpose of the ScaleLink Alliance free website review. We take a look at your website and examine key areas that may be affecting its performance, user experience, SEO, lead generation, and ability to convert visitors. We identify opportunities for improvement and help you understand where there may be problems worth addressing. It's completely free, with no obligation. And you don't necessarily need a completely new website. Sometimes the biggest improvements come from fixing a few things that are creating friction. A clearer message, a stronger call to action, a better mobile experience, more trust, better performance. If you'd like another set of eyes on your website, request your free website review from ScaleLink Alliance using the link below. We'll take a look and help identify opportunities to improve it. And if your bigger question is, why is my website getting traffic but not customers? Watch this video next, because getting visitors is only the beginning. What happens after they arrive is what can turn that traffic into business.